Hello and welcome back to my YouTube channel. We were discussing operators and next we'll learn about identity operators. And this identity operators in Python is an operator that is used to check whether two variables are pointing to the same memory location in the computer's memory or not. Just for an example, when I write x is equal to 500 here, Python actually creates an object with integer data type and value 50 and stores it somewhere in the computer's memory, right? And here x is the name that points to the starting memory location of that value, that object. Previously, when we learned about variables, we discussed this in detail. And in those tutorials, we learned how to check whether two or more variables refers to the same object. For that, we used ID functions, right? Like this. So instead of doing this, we can use identity operators. Okay, next we have two identity operators in Python. The first operator is and the second operator is not. So first let's learn about is operator. So keyword used is and the syntax is this: left operand is right operand. It is a binary operator, needs two operands to operate, and it returns either true or false. Okay, this is operator checks whether two variables refers to the same objects in memory, and it will return true if they do and false otherwise. Just for an example here, the previous example here we can see x is y, and here we can see answer is false. If the unique ID of both the operands are same, this operator returns true, otherwise returns false. Okay, so the next identity operator is not. So the keyword is not. So it is used to check whether two variables refers to different memory location or not. It returns true if both variable refers to different memory location. Otherwise, it will return false. Okay, it is opposite to is operator. So syntax is this: it is also a binary operator, returns true or false. Let's take same example, and here you can compare is and is not operators. Okay, for the same example, right? Okay, let's check few more examples. We can see true. So this is about identity operators. Identity operators are binary operators. It returns either true or false based on the operation. This operator is used to check whether two variables are pointing to the same memory locations in the computer's memory. Alright. Okay, so these are the few examples, as well as this is the summary of identity operators. So that's it for now, guys. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel. I will meet you in next class. Till then, take care.